Okay, let's proceed now to the peripheral vascular disease. What is peripheral vascular disease? Well, peripheral vascular disease. Peripheral vascular disease. It's the diseases. Oh, tama ko. It refers. It refers to diseases. To diseases. It refers to diseases. Tuloy ako. Outside, kaya nga peripheral, di ba? Outside. Outside the heart and brain. Correct? Yan. Peripheral vascular disease daw, it refers to diseases. Mali pa, may kulang pa. It refers to diseases of blood vessels. Blood vessels. Outside the heart and brain. Yan. Ayun nga. Ayun. It's often narrowing. Narrowing is increasing down. It's often narrowing of vessels that carry blood to the arms, legs, arms, legs, stomach, and kidney. Tama? There are two types of peripheral vascular disease. Two types. Two types of peripheral vascular disease. Two types of PVD. There are two types of peripheral vascular disease. The first one is functional peripheral vascular disease. Okay. What is functional peripheral vascular disease? Functional peripheral vascular disease. It has no organic cause, and they don't have defect of blood vessels and no defect of blood vessel structure. Bakit mali yata gano'n? Kami ba yung pangalakas?
They have no defect nor organic cause. Okay, so those are two types according to cause or etiology of the disease. Okay, pag functional, sabi mo walang organic cause, meaning?
Walang organic cause, meaning?
Ano yung sabi pag sabi mo walang organic cause?
Okay, hindi siya kunyari, walang barak, hindi siya nabubuo sa hindi ka tulad ng sweet ba dyan Organic cause, nabubuo siya sa pag-build up ng fatty acid. Kapag tala nun, yung sabi, wala siya organic cause. Okay? Kapag tala nun, wala siya build up ng fatty acid.
Okay, sige.
Kumain si Eric naman, hindi ako kumain.
Okay. No organic cause. Ayan.
Eric, lalagay ko sa YouTube.
These are short term yun, These are short term only. Meaning, functional. Functional tayo nga. Meaning, these are short term effect only. Short term yun, ito lang. Short term effect. Short term effect. Example ng short term effect. Nagugulo ko sa iyo. Example ng short term effect is the spasm. Diba, alam ito sa commercial, diba? Spasm na. Example for this is the Raynaud's disease. Raynaud's disease. Raynaud's disease. Yan. Ito, Raynaud's disease can be triggered by cold temperature and emotional stress. Gusto na po. Cold temperature, emotional stress, and vibrating machinery. Vibrating machinery. Explain yung vibrating. And also smoking. Kaya yung trigger sa na ito.
Wait lang.
Raynaud pala. Raynaud.
R-A-Y, that's R-A-Y.
R-A-Y.
N-A-U-D.
Tama.
U-D. Tama yun.
Raynaud disease. Kulang bang ima? Yes. Ayan. Pwede ngayon. Short term na to ah. Ano short term? Hindi siya mamatagalan. Hindi ka tulad ng ito. Kasi pag tinamangan ng organic periplascular disease, ito dyan na talaga siya. Dyan. Kasi, ano yan? It caused by structural changes of blood vessels. Ang cause nito, structural. Meaning, ito yung nag-builds, example inflammation and tissue damage sa organic. Example natin ng disease, ito yung example na ito is peripheral artery disease. Oh, what is peripheral artery disease? Ito yung peripheral artery disease that builds up of fatty acid. Paano ba nag-builds up yung fatty acid? Well, nag-builds up yung fatty acid when the calcium and the fatty material combine and it makes plaque. Right? Ayun yun. Tapos, nawala din ako. Nasaan na ba ako? Nandito pa rin ako. Builds up of fatty acid is the arteriosclerosis. Ayun, di ba? Tama? Arteriosclerosis. Ito yung builds up ng fatty acid. Ayan. At dumako naman tayo sa risk factor. Risk factor po nito is risk factor. Risk factor po nito is yung mga older than 50 years old and with positive